How to fix PayPal payment error in the Valorant store. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix PayPal payment errors in the Valorant store. If you're encountering a PayPal payment error in the Valorant store, start by checking if PayPal has placed any restrictions on your account. You can do this by visiting PayPal's support page to understand why the transaction might have failed. Another potential fix is to refresh your network connection. To do this, open the command prompt as an administrator and enter the following commands in order: netsh space int space ip space reset, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, ipconfig/flushdns, and netsh space winsock space reset. If these solutions don't work, try using your credit or debit card directly instead of PayPal. Alternatively, you can use PayPal to purchase an online gift card for Valorant's premium currency, which many users find effective.